come you're so quiet here? You don't look like there's anything wrong with you. You look very cute, but how come you'd let me get so close? I don't get it. You don't look hurt. Did you fall off a nest or something? Or you're knocking on my door at 3:13 or something like that? You're very chiquipito about it. Let me see your face. Oh my goodness, Suzuki. Where are your parents? How come you're out alone? You could be raped. Can you move or can you fly? Look at that face. Can I pet your head? Pim, 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 pim. You gotta move it, baby boy. Sí, eso no es una chiquipito. You gotta go home. You shouldn't be letting people touch you so close. Come on, go. I'm gonna have to push you away. Sorry. Move it. Go home, Tucho. Go home. Can you fly? Did you hit your face or something? I don't know. You're very smart. Go home. You're not even mad or anything like that. Hurry up, chiquipito. Move it. Where are your parents? You got long nails too. You need to go to the people that do nails or something. Go home, baby boy. Come on, go home, little one. Nice girl. You need to go home. Want some food? Oh. Decirle cucú. Good boy, there you go, go. Go home. Don't be feisty about it. Hi. You're very cute, I know, but then you gotta go home. This is not home. When I climb on my finger. Like a branch. Good, go. Go home. Go home, you can fly. There you go. There you go, you can fly. I knew it. Go away. Go home. Go home, baby boy. There you go.